A shocking new study reveals that 95% of millennials will never achieve financial freedom, and it's because of one common habit they're blind to. If you ignore what I'm about to say, you're risking your financial future right now. Keep watching, because in the next minutes, I'll show you exactly how to make sure you're part of the 5% who actually become wealthy. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe right now. This channel reveals powerful financial secrets every single week, secrets that banks and schools never want you to discover. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and protect your financial future starting today. Let's face it, millennials are one of the most educated generations in history, yet financially, they're falling dangerously behind. Did you know that 60% of millennials have less than $1,000 saved, while over half are drowning in debt with no clear plan for escape? But why is this happening? Why do smart, ambitious people still find themselves stuck in a financial trap? The harsh truth is, most millennials are sabotaging their financial futures through everyday decisions, small choices about debt, spending, saving, and investing that compound into lifelong struggles. But here's the good news. This is completely fixable. In the next few minutes, I'm going to uncover 3 powerful insights that most people discover far too late. Simple truths that separate those who become wealthy from those who stay broke forever. You absolutely can escape the financial traps most millennials fall into, but only if you know what you're up against. So, buckle up, because what you're about to learn will completely change how you handle your money forever. Let's jump straight into the first hidden habit that's quietly destroying your wealth. The first and most dangerous habit that's silently destroying millennial wealth is a toxic mindset about money, and most millennials don't even realize they're falling victim to it. The wrong mindset. The first hidden habit sabotaging millennial wealth is your mindset. Not just any mindset, but a dangerous belief system installed by society, social media, and consumer culture. It's the subtle voice that whispers daily, "I deserve to spend my paycheck because I worked hard. Investing is risky. I'll just save money later. And I'm young. There's plenty of time to worry about retirement." This isn't just harmless self-talk. It's destructive financial programming that ensures you'll stay trapped forever. Let's expose how deep this actually goes. Take a closer look at the real cost of these seemingly harmless beliefs. Imagine you're 25 years old, spending an extra $15 each day on things like takeout, subscription services, impulse buys, or that daily latte you swear doesn't matter. Seems harmless, right? But let's pull back the curtain. If instead of wasting those $15 daily, you invested them into a simple S&P 500 ETF earning an average 8% return, something astonishing happens. In 10 years, you'd have around $82,000. In 20 years, it balloons to about $260,000. By the time you hit retirement age, at 65, that small daily sacrifice transforms in nearly $1.5 million. Let that sink in. Your daily latte isn't costing you a few dollars. It's literally costing you millions in future wealth. But there's something even more insidious here. Our society deliberately downplays this reality. Social media floods your timeline with images of luxurious lifestyles, expensive vacations, and the illusion that you only live once. Brands profit massively by keeping you distracted, living paycheck to paycheck, convinced you're treating yourself, while quietly robbing you of your financial freedom. This isn't accidental, it's systematic, and millennials have become perfect victims. But it gets darker. Even if you wake up today and stop mindless spending, you're likely still trapped in another financial nightmare that most millennials never fully escape. If you're serious about your financial future, you need to hear what's next, because this next hidden habit is the silent financial assassin, destroying millennials faster than anything else. The hidden truth about debt and spending. If you thought spending habits were quietly dangerous, the second habit is even more sinister, because this one actively feeds off your future. I'm talking about the hidden truth behind debt. Millennials have become the most indebted generation in modern history, carrying an average of nearly $40,000 in student loan debt alone, without even mentioning credit cards, car loans, or personal debt. But here's the dark reality most people don't see. Debt isn't just money you owe, it's the silent destruction of your financial future. Let me show you exactly how dangerous this is. Take the average $40,000 student loan. If you pay only the minimum required amount each month, that debt doesn't vanish. It grows. With an interest rate of just 5%, your total repayment balloons to nearly $64,000 over time. And that's if you never miss a payment. And credit card debt? It's even more ruthless. Let's say you have just $5,000 in credit card debt and you only make the minimum monthly payment. It will take you more than 15 years to clear that balance, and you'll pay over $7,000 in interest alone. That means your $5,000 debt quietly turned into over $12,000 lost forever, money that should have been invested, money that could have built your future. Yet millennials willingly walk into these debt traps, seduced by easy access to credit, monthly payment plans, and zero-interest gimmicks, never realizing they're sacrificing decades of financial freedom for short-term gratification. Banks, credit card companies, and lenders profit billions every year precisely because millennials remain unaware. They want you in debt. They need you trapped because debt is their most profitable product. But now you know the truth. Debt isn't convenience. It's financial slavery. Fortunately, breaking free is completely possible, and the path forward is clear. But even becoming debt-free won't guarantee your financial future unless you understand the third secret. The next insight you'll gain is the most critical difference between those who live paycheck to paycheck forever and those who achieve real, lasting wealth. Miss this, and you'll never escape. Let's reveal exactly what millionaires know that millennials are kept blind to. The millionaire's secret: compound investing. The third secret I'm about to reveal is the single biggest difference between lifelong financial struggle and unstoppable wealth. This secret isn't taught in school. It's not openly discussed by banks. In fact, it's purposely hidden from you. It's called compound investing, what Albert Einstein famously called the eighth wonder of the world. Here's why millionaires obsess over it and millennials overlook it. Imagine two people, Anna and John. Both start investing just $300 per month in their retirement account, but Anna starts at 25 years old, while John waits until he's 35. A 10-year difference doesn't sound drastic, right? Wrong. When they both retire at 65, Anna ends up with nearly $1 million more than John, despite investing only $36,000 more over her lifetime. How is this possible? Compound interest. With compound investing, your money doesn't just grow, it explodes exponentially because you're earning interest not just on your initial money, but also on the interest itself. Here's how powerful this actually is. Investing just $500 monthly from age 25 means having roughly $1.7 million by retirement. Wait until you're 35 and your final amount drops dramatically to around $750,000. That's nearly $1 million lost forever, simply by hesitating a decade. Time is literally money, and every second you delay investing, you're losing thousands in future wealth. Banks don't want you to realize this. They prefer you to stay financially unaware, stuck paying interest instead of earning it. But millionaires know this secret. They start early, invest consistently, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. If you're watching this now, you have an extraordinary advantage: time. But understanding this isn't enough. You need clear, actionable steps. Exactly how should you get started today? What precise steps should you follow to build unstoppable wealth? The final piece of this video is your actionable blueprint. Miss it, and you're gambling with your financial future. Stay focused, because the next 90 seconds could literally change your financial destiny forever. The action plan, practical steps to wealth. Now you clearly see the 3 hidden financial habits secretly sabotaging millennial wealth: the toxic mindset, debt slavery, and ignoring compound investing. But awareness alone is useless without action. Here's exactly what you need to do immediately to guarantee financial freedom. Step 1. Automate your savings immediately. Open a separate high-yield savings account. Set automatic transfers every payday, no excuses. Aim for at least 10 to 20% of your monthly income. Automation removes temptation and forces disciplined saving, turning small actions into lifelong financial habits. Step 2. Destroy debt strategically. List your debts clearly, from smallest to largest. Attack debt aggressively using the debt snowball method. Pay minimum payments on all except the smallest. Throw all extra cash toward paying off that smallest debt first. As debts vanish, your momentum grows. This strategy saves thousands in interest and years of stress. Step 3. Start investing now. No excuses. Open a low-fee brokerage account. Begin consistently investing in simple, low-cost index funds or ETFs, like the S&P 500. Your goal: invest at least $300 per month initially, increasing over time. Do not worry about market timing. Time in the market always beats timing the market. The earlier you start, the faster your wealth compounds. Step 4. Protect yourself from lifestyle inflation. Set a strict monthly budget. Cut unnecessary spending ruthlessly. Every raise, bonus, or extra income should accelerate your savings and investments, not your lifestyle. Remember, the rich stay rich because they invest raises, not spend them. If you follow these 4 simple steps relentlessly, you'll join the top 5% of millennials who build real, lasting wealth. But there's one more crucial insight, the final missing link separating millionaires from everyone else, and it's waiting for you in the final moments of this video. You've just uncovered exactly how millennials unknowingly sabotage their own wealth, and more importantly, how you can escape this trap forever. Let's quickly recap the powerful insights you've gained. Mindset is quietly controlling your financial future. Debt isn't a convenience, it's financial slavery designed to drain your wealth. Compound investing, started early, is your ticket to unstoppable wealth. Taking immediate action, automating savings, strategically paying off debt, consistently investing, and resisting lifestyle inflation will set you apart financially forever. But remember, financial freedom isn't luck. It's discipline, strategy, and above all, knowledge. If you found value in this video, make sure you subscribe right now, because every week we're releasing powerful videos designed specifically to help you build real, lasting wealth faster. Click the subscribe button and turn notifications on so you'll never miss critical financial secrets like these again. And now, since you're serious about achieving financial freedom faster, your next step is crucial. Click right here to watch the 7 unspoken financial rules that will make you rich faster than you think. In this next video, you'll uncover hidden financial strategies that aren't taught in schools, rules that will accelerate your wealth-building journey dramatically. Don't miss out. Click now and unlock your next level of financial mastery.